Hi, my name is Chris Hearn. I'm the founder and CEO of Fountainhead. We're the nation's leading non-bank small business lender. And today I want to talk a little bit about creativity and creativity in banking, which I understand is kind of an oxymoronic statement, but it's one of the offshoots of our specialization, our three S's that we often talk about: speed, service, and specialization. Because we are so hyper-focused on a few product lines, we think we're the best at what we do, and it allows us to be so much more creative when we're underwriting a submission. And what do I mean by that? Well, oftentimes if you submit to a bank or credit union and you don't fit perfectly within their credit box, it's an easy no for them to turn you down. We try to figure out ways to get deals done because collectively we have over 300 years of experience in small business lending with our team. And so that brings a lot of possible scenarios that we've dealt with in the past and ways to try to get deals done. So for instance, sometimes we don't have a strong enough guarantor for the loan itself. So we might ask for other guarantors to come on. We might ask the seller, if you're doing a business acquisition, for instance, we might ask the seller to hold back part of the purchase price. There's been scenarios where we don't have enough collateral to meet SBA guidelines, so we'll ask for additional types of collateral that you may have or may have available. So, if you have a lower credit score, sometimes that's going to be an immediate no at various financial institutions. For us, we're going to dig in and we're going to ask questions about it. If it's a medical claim that's bringing your FICO score down, we're going to want to understand it. We're going to want to get documentation, and it's probably something that we can get through and still not have that adversely affect your approval. So there's just a variety of different examples that we could give you about how we try to be a little more creative than most of the people that we deal with in the financial services industry. So if you have a transaction that requires some creativity, we'll be happy to look at it. I will tell you though, we're not miracle workers. So if it's really ugly, it's not necessarily something we're going to be able to do. But I think you're going to find that we try to be very innovative in what we do and figure out ways to get deals done. Everybody else out there, for the most part, tries to have the quick no. Well, not even quick. Oftentimes they'll drag it out before they say no to you. And part of that is just a mindset and perhaps a cultural thing in the banking world, which is the best loan they can make is the loan that doesn't go bad. And that means a new loan, there's a possibility that it might go bad. So maybe we turn it down so it can't go bad. I know that sounds kind of absurd to you as an entrepreneur who are constantly trying to grow your revenues and profits, but that's the mindset that a lot of my peers in the industry come from, and that's not necessarily going to work for most of our small business owners. So if there's something we can help you with, if you've got a project you'd like to get SBA financing with, please reach out to us so we can help you right away.